We have given algebraic fraction and we have to reduce this fraction to the lowest terms. We know that when we have fraction, we can reduce only when we have multiplication. We have addition here. So first, we have to do factorization. We have 18x plus 6. So because x is only in first expression, so x will not be common factor. So we have to look only for numbers. So we have 18 and 6. So the common factor is 6. And in parentheses, what will be 18 divided by 6 is 3. And we have to copy x. And 6 divided by 6 is 1. Let's check. Now, when we multiply 6 by every expression in parentheses, we need to have the same what we have at the beginning. 6 times 3x is 18x. And 6 times 1 is 6. So everything is correct in numerator, and in denominator we have to do the same. We have to look for common factor for these two expressions, because we have x only in first expression, so for sure we cannot take x. And we have 24 and 8. The common factor is 8, so 8 we put before parentheses. 24 divided by 8 is 3, and x we have to copy. 8 divided by 8 is 1, so we have plus 1. So let's check now. When we multiply 8 by every expression in parentheses, we need to have the same what we have at the beginning in denominator. So 8 times 3x is 24x. So first expression is the same, and 8 times 1 is 8. So everything is correct. So this is equal. Now when we have multiplication, we can reduce. The greatest common factor for 6 and 8 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. What else? We have the same expression in parentheses in numerator and in denominator, so we can reduce this. 1 and 1. So now we have 3 times 1 is 3 in numerator, and 4 times 1 is 4 in the denominator. This is my solution.